Hello traders, it's Friday, woohoo! Friday the 15th of September to be exact. We are going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. And we're also going to look at the crazy reaction to the news from yesterday as well, guys. That euro was crazy is the word for it. So let's start with yesterday's trades then, guys. So we were looking at two of the indices. We're looking at the NASDAQ and the S&P, and we were looking to buy them. So why were we looking to buy them? Well, price was in a downtrend, but then as you can see, price started to build up, and we're now in an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, price come back down to here. This is a new higher low. All right, so structurally we're in an uptrend. Then if we zoom in, guys, yeah, we can just really like this as a level of support. Yeah, we've got a horizontal grey zone, which is a support zone, and we've got this moving average 20. And look how price just pings off that moving average 20 as well. Okay, and then we also had, yeah, this bullish candle, and the idea was just to take price back up to these last highs. And as you can see, guys, that's exactly what happened. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, it was tricky because of the news, guys, basically. So, you know, there was a candle during the day. So I like this candle, and I was telling my VIP Discord crew that I liked this candle. Yeah, you know, we could have put our, would we have got stopped down? Probably not. We'll probably give it a little bit more room. But, you know, I didn't enter, guys, because in a few hours news was coming out. And then look at the reaction to the news. You can see news candles because they are, you know, it's just a mess. And then bang, we get this candle, which is obviously a nice bullish candle, and which is what we want if we want to buy this indice, but there's just no room anymore. Yeah, if you start buying here, put your stop below here, here's your reward and here's your risk. You know, there's no point taking that trade. It doesn't make sense. So for that reason, guys, yeah, we didn't have a trade on the NASDAQ. And to be honest, guys, after the news, I just sort of stopped trading, to be honest with you. It was all far too erratic. If we look at the S&P as well, yeah, this gives us a couple of opportunities as well, guys. Let's start with the day chart. So very similar scenario, obviously, to the NASDAQ because they're highly correlated, but it was in a downtrend. Yes. As soon as we break this high, we're in an uptrend. Higher highs, yeah, higher lows, yeah, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, like I say, structurally in an uptrend. You need to know the structure, the trend that we're in, guys. Yeah, you need to easily identify that. That is trading 101. Yeah, you need to get that down. So yeah, structurally, that's what we were seeing, was in an uptrend. And then if we just look at other reasons to enter this pair. So again, we had very good support here. Yeah, and you can see we also had, so we had a horizontal grey zone and we had the moving average 20. Okay, and it's really obeying the moving average 20. And just look at these wicks. Yeah, look at these wicks. Look at this wick. You know, keep an eye out for wicks, guys. Wicks, you know, push things up or push things down. If we get a wick like this, you know, that's going to push things down. So yeah, we had a nice area of support, nice wicks. We had this bullish candle. This was part of an inside candlestick pattern. And then we're just trying to take price back up to here. So we had lots of reasons to buy the S&P, which is what you need to enter a trade. Dropping down to the H1, again, guys, I put this candle, I didn't enter it because there was news coming out, but there was this candle here as well, guys, yeah. I was like, I really like this candle, you know, hindsight's a beautiful thing. I would have made a very nice profit yesterday. But again, news was coming out in a few hours. And then this is the news candles. Just erratic. Yeah, so, like I said, it was too erratic. We had that Euro news that was crazy. And, yeah, I didn't trade after that. But, if you did, guys, yeah, look at that. That would have been a good candle to enter on. Yeah, so there were opportunities to get in on the S&P and the NASDAQ, guys. But, yeah, because of news, I didn't. But, yeah, both did exactly what we expected and come up and hit higher time frame targets. So yeah, maybe some of you did have a nice trade. Yeah, let me know. So those were the only two trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis and yesterday's trade ideas, maybe you made some money, then come join us. We would love to have you. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, guys, smash the like button. Yeah, if you enjoy the trade ideas every day, please smash the like button. Help support the vid and the channel. Gracias, dankeschön, shukran. Right, guys, trades for Friday, the 15th of September. Let me just tell you a few things that our channel does. You may be interested. So, first of all, we have a free Discord channel. It is free. So, come join it, guys. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got useful links. We've got indicators. We've got promotions, we've got the analysis challenge, we've got loads of cool things in there, guys. All right, so come check it out. The link is in the video description. We also have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me any questions you like. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas and their thoughts on the market. We have exclusive content every single week, and you have access to a performance coach should you need it, guys. So much value in there. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, you would like to learn how to trade, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And next, guys, if you watch these vids every day, the live stream, and you would like to show your support, then you can. You can become a YouTube Simply Forex member. All right. And again, you get some really cool perks for doing so. And it starts from as little as under $2 a month, guys. So check all of that out. And don't forget the live streams Monday to Thursday, not today, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Me and the editor are down the pub on a Friday. We're not always. Right, guys. So trades for Friday, the 15th of September. Before we do, let's discuss the elephant in the room. There isn't an elephant in the room. I'm talking about the euro news. What the hell was going on there? So the deposit facility rate was better than expected. The interest rate was better than expected. Yeah. And the euro tanked. Yeah. And I saw one analyst's comment today. Yeah. It made me laugh. It said it was a dovish rate hike. That is an oxymoron. That is such contradictory sentence. The most contradictory sentence I've ever heard. A dovish rate hike. Yeah, there you go. So that explains it. Nobody saw that coming, and nobody can, really explain. And don't waste your time trying to explain how that happened, why that happened. All you need to do as a trader is know that it happened and then trade accordingly. Yeah. Don't put yourself in circles going, why was that? Why did that happen? Who cares? Trade the chart. All right. So it has meant that, there's lots of potential, euro weakness, but none of them are tradable. Yeah, this is Euro Aussie dollar, very oversold. You know, no value. You know why? I know. I prattle on about value. There's no value. Yeah. You look at any of them. Yeah, Euro CAD. There's no value. I think it will come down to the next piece of support, but where you putting your stop up here, Euro New Zealand, you look at any of these guys, this one's probably a little bit more value. But another thing you need to be aware of, guys, is firstly, is there value on the back of this news? Yeah. And the answer is no, really, there isn't. And secondly, once you have a big daily move like that, check out the weekly chart. You should look at the weekly chart anyway. But if you look at the weekly chart, it could be potentially nice buying areas on the weekly. And I would say this is a nice buying area. Yeah, maybe it wants to come down to the 20 before it shoots up. But on the weekly, we're getting nice buying areas. Yeah, let's go back to, even Euro US dollar. Look at the weekly chart. There is a nice weekly buying area here. Yeah, let's have a go back to Euro Aussie dollar. Look at this one. Yeah, bang at the moving average 20 and this area of support. That's a nice buying opportunity. So, don't be so quick to jump in on the back of that euro weakness, because, it could be setting up on the weekly chart for a very good buying opportunity and there's no value in it. Yeah, don't jump in on the back of news. There's no value there, guys. All right. So, yeah, that's my view of the euro. I don't care why it happened. I just care where we are on the charts, and nothing's setting up on the back of that euro news. Yeah, because of the reasons I mentioned. So there you go, guys. There's the elephant in the room discussed. I do have trades, though, guys. The first one is this Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. We don't have a lot of room to move into. This is the only problem. So, we discussed some of this in the live stream yesterday, but as you can see, guys, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, yeah, we was in a downtrend. Okay, till we broke these highs and we started to get higher lows. Broke in a nice uptrend now. We even broke these last highs here with yesterday's candle, and that's what we want to see. That tells us it's a continuation of trend. All right. And our target is going to be the next logical area of resistance. Yeah. And that is here, over here, this grey zone. I could drag this grey zone along, but you can see with my blue line that that's resistance. And it's a nice psychological level at 5,800. So that's the trade. We're going to try and take it up to this 5,800 level. But obviously, guys, there's not much room there. Yeah, we need this trade to make sense. And also, guys, the Swiss franc is highly correlated with the euro. So this Swiss franc weakness is also on the back of the euro weakness, because those two are, tightly linked and highly correlated. So bearing all of that in mind, let's have a look. So yeah, let's stick on the H4. Yeah, we might miss this trade. Yeah, looking at this bullish candle now, it might just come up and hit target. Okay, no problem. But what I'm waiting for, guys, is a retrace into this grey zone. And if we do get this, we've got a nice trade, yeah, before it hits target. So it needs to come down pretty much now. So price retraces into this grey zone. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction in here on the, a H1 bullish candle and or H4. Yeah, and then we can start buying back up to that level that I discussed. All right, and this is the level I'm interested in. And it's the same with New Zealand Swiss franc, guys, as well. So New Zealand Swiss franc, we've got a little bit more room to move into. But again, have we missed it? Time will tell. We'll see today. And I remember, was it Healthy FX, Miss Health FX? She was explaining that she wanted to buy New Zealand Swiss franc. So, with this candle here. Okay, let's look at structure first. Sorry, let's look at structure first, guys. So structurally, yeah, as soon as we started breaking these highs through here, uptrend. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs, uptrend. Came down here, we were buying it in here. We had some nice trades in here. It's come back up. And then this candle here, you know, no matter how much I want to buy it, and I do, it just hasn't broken the resistance. Okay. So I need to wait. All right. And then yesterday's candle, which is far less bullish, is the one I'm going to trade, because the close of this body right here, the close of the body, not the wick, has closed above these last highs. Therefore, we have had a daily break of resistance. Now I'm interested. Yeah, call me a stickler for details, but it's these little things that make all the difference, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, so now I'm interested, and now I think we can take it back up to this level here. Yeah, this last resistance level in here. Okay, so that's the idea. Again, if we drop down to the H4, so there's a bit of a H4 level. Yeah, you can see this level through here where price has been reacting. The problem is, guys, you know, if this remains quite bullish, yeah, it may not retrace, but I am looking for a retrace back into here. Yeah, perhaps the moving average 20 catches up nicely as well. We've got this level here. Really like this level. And I will wait for this level. I will sit on my hands and wait for this level all day. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. No problem. All right. And once it comes back to here, bullish reaction. And then we can look to take price up to our daily target. All right, guys. So, yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Because of all of that news, it was all a bit mental, but I have found one more trade, which I will show you. But just before I show you my last trade idea, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you enjoy my analysis and want my trade ideas every day, then subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel right now. And if you could also, everyone, please smash the like button if you haven't already. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, the VIP Discord channel, got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right. All those things are in the video description. The last one is silver. Ha ha. Sorry about the pirate impression, but I was thinking of Long John Silver. Yeah, sorry about that. So silver, guys, yeah, precious metals. So for you precious metals traders, this one's for you. There's a big range here. We start with the weekly chart. We actually looked at this in the live stream and brought this to my attention. So, you know, there's a range here. Yeah, on silver. Okay, we can clearly see that on the weekly chart. And on the day chart, we've got a nice, yeah, bullish wick that bounced off of this level. Look at this level. Look at this level of support. We know it's a good level. All right, if I zoom in a little bit, yeah, we've got this nice big wick bounce off of this level. Okay, so we've got a very conservative target here, which is like these last daily highs here. And if not, to take it up a bit further. And the target was this moving average 20. And I've just aimed at the first psychological level before the moving average 20. And psychological levels, guys, I mean, I'm looking for 50s or 00s. Yeah, these are psychological levels for me and normally good targets. So that's the plan with silver. If we look at the H1 now, this is a bit of a H1 play because we have had a H1 break. If we look at the H4, actually, we haven't had a H4 break. Quite the opposite. We're still in a H4 downtrend. Okay. But on the H1, we have had a structure break. Yeah, you can clearly see it. So price was in a downtrend. We had a structure break here because we started to get higher highs, and then bang, we've got this other candle to just confirm the hourly uptrend. Okay, and all I want to see, guys, is price retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, this grey zone here. Okay, retrace into here. We get a bullish reaction. Yeah, and then we can start buying silver. We can start buying silver, and my target is back up to here, guys. All right, so yeah, something a little bit different. We're looking at silver today. So yeah, there you go. Those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 15th of September, guys. So there isn't any. Do what you like, basically. Yeah, if you scroll down, guys, yeah, there's just no big 3-star ratings. You know, no 2-star ratings that I think should be 3-star ratings. Yeah, there's just, yeah, no news today, guys. So yeah, you are free to trade. And yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a great trading day, guys, and a great weekend. And I'll catch up with you soon.